What's going on, guys? I have to be kind of quiet right now. I'm currently taking apart like my diffuser. I have to like rinse off my back bumper and stuff. I mean, back bumper. I don't have a back bumper. My front bumper and stuff, and yeah, just pretty much pack everything in the car. Tomorrow we're driving to Pennsylvania. Why do I sound like I'm out of breath? I lay off the freaking fast food. Tomorrow we're going to Pennsylvania. I'm meeting a kid who's actually buying my kit. He's from Ohio. I live in New York. So we're meeting halfway. It's about a 3.5 to 4 hour drive, depending. Hopefully we don't hit any traffic because New York sucks. So right now I'm just doing this. Gabe's coming with me because I have a really bad pain in my knee from volleyball. He's gonna come and maybe drive for me if I need it because my knee might start hurting a little bit. Yeah, so right now I'm just taking apart the diffuser to fit in the car. I gotta rinse it off because it's kind of dirty. And then just gonna throw everything in there and then pretty much get ready for tomorrow and the drive. And then after that, after we drop it off and everything, should be ready to order the whole new kit and all that. So it's gonna be fun. Gonna be a fun experience with this 240. If you haven't, subscribe and get ready for this build. See you guys in the morning. Oh boy, that's pretty gross. I should probably wash that out, right? There's little ants in there. Nice. Ooh, there's a lot of ants. Oh no. Well, now you might have to vlog, Gabe. You might have to vlog. We're off, boys. We're off. It's the morning time, like I said last night, even though now it's morning time. Gabe's got Chick-fil-A, I think, for breakfast. Everything is packed in the car. I put everything in the car yesterday and I forgot to put the front splitter over here. And then, so I had to take everything out and then put it back in. But right now we're driving all the way to Pennsylvania. I live in New York. It's saying we're good right now, no traffic. We're leaving on a Saturday. I'm worried about coming back because we're coming back during rush hour. But right now it's 9:46. We should be getting there around 2:30, maybe a little early. We might get there early. But we're hitting Wawa, of course. We gotta get that Chipotle mac and cheese.
Honestly,
slaps.
If we had that new hatch, definitely get there a little faster.
Yeah, if Toyota wants to sponsor the Tween and you know, get us a little GR action going on, a little all-wheel drive turbo, I wouldn't be upset about it. I forgot to add, on the way back from Pennsylvania, we gotta pick up CJ, bring him to Jeremy's house, but on the way to Jeremy's house, my sister's boyfriend blew his donut on the side of the LIE. So we gotta pick up his car, change the donut out, then go to Jeremy's house, and then I get to go home. This would be like a 10-hour day of driving. You know, we had to hit the
We had to hit the Wawa.
Gotta get that mac and cheese. Oh.
When the hell do Kosh rock USPs?
Oh, the mac and cheesy. The mac and cheese.
Yo, he's been waiting for that mac and cheese for like at least 2 weeks.
Yeah, literally, the second we said that we had to leave the state. Anytime I leave the state, gotta hit Wawa. Every time.
Look at your sandwich inside the phone holder.
My sandwich holder?
Yeah.
Alright, time to eat, and then we're on our way again. So we're here, we're waiting for, I think his name's Clayton. Waiting for Clayton. It's pretty much smooth sailing once we hit Pennsylvania. Pretty much cruise control the entire way. That is a mighty long gray hair. So we're just waiting now. We're actually making pretty good time. I don't know, what time is it?
It is officially 1:36.
1:36. So we're actually an hour early, which is great. And he's gonna be here in the next like 10 minutes. And then we go back home. We have to pick CJ up and do a bunch of other stuff. And then we're going to Buffalo Wild Wings later too. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. We'll see how I'm feeling because getting a little tired. This pollen's already kicking in. I feel it. I have to go to the bathroom.
Buy a tractor.
I need to buy some Just for Men. If you guys want to subscribe so I can pay for Just for Men. Because your boy's getting gray out here. I'm not even freaking... Oh, whoa.
Oh my god.
Bro.
You literally look like you have just salt and pepper. Just straight up.
My goodness.
Honestly, just go straight silver.
I tried. It's just flying. Yeah, you can see how murk that thing got. Oh, yeah, I literally hit like a railroad tracks and it just went right under the car. You were like, no! Dude, I put it on and then 3 days later I smashed it. No. Yeah, wait, back there.
Yeah, a little bit. You know, 6 inches. Yeah, if we
Something
pivot
flat
it,
on that
pivot it.
side.
Go on the back.
No more Rocket Bunny, Gabe. What are we gonna do?
Oh, I know you guys.
I want to hear him take off. It's got to be the Cadillac, right?
Yeah.
Maybe they're not. Forgot to be recording. Now we gotta go.
What?
Fix my sister's baby daddy's blown donut right now on the side of the road.
We're going to Miata.
What are you doing?
I don't know how to open it back up. I thought it would sound like that twisty thing.
It's not that fancy.
This wheel doesn't even fit in your car.
No? Or did you just not close the freaking thing probably?
I didn't want to slam it. I didn't want to slam it.
Stupid.
I wasn't slamming you like cringed.
I can't see anything in that damn sun, Gabe. We brought mechanic. And the other mechanic.
Alright, boys. Bend over.
I'm being big stupid.
Huh? Strippy?
No, it's like...
What's up, man?
Damn, Mike.
Them shits when he's fully cleared out.
I don't know. Is it gonna fit? Maybe. We'll drive it to Jeremy's house. Get us your 240 wheels. Uh-oh. It doesn't fit. Oh no! So Mike's lugs aren't fitting. Well, the socket's not fitting with his lugs. So now we gotta take off all his keys or his freaking wheel locks and then put them all on here.
I need a socket.
You need a socket too. And then we're gonna just drive it to Jeremy's, swap them all out, and I guess leave the car there so it's not on the side of the freaking highway. Oh my goodness.
I meant the.
Oh yeah, you were telling me the other night these used
That too.
Uh-oh. Oh.
It's there. It turns on. And it just doesn't stay on. And it puffs out a whole bunch of smoke because it feels not
smoky.
correct.
Big womp.
It is what it is.
He said he's gonna start it. Oh, he'll turn you on.
You gotta change that heat shield. That shit's doing nothing.
Put aluminum
It's
foil
literally
like I
doing
did.
nothing.
Oh.
That timing, literally, the timing's too far advanced. That should fire backwards.
It's at like 12.
Why the hell did it fire backwards? That's a lot of kickback. That's got some crazy timing in it. I didn't double check that. Yeah, you gotta make it retarded.
It's too. I mean, 12 is normal. That's what it's supposed to be at. So I didn't like
12?
retarded it. That's like normal timing.
My shit's at like 18 idle on the Miata.
And retarded, right?
No.
Advanced?
Huh?
You're supposed to run retarded.
Yeah, no, it's like before top dead center, it's at 18.
Yeah, this
Yeah,
is
so it's
that.
slightly retarded.
No, this is my.
She got slobbies. She got you?
Good job.
She got you with the loogie?
She got me before, but it wasn't as bad.
It's over.
You're good.
You're good. Just fix yours and you'll be fine.
Bro.
What? I should have.
Spider.
The spider? The spider?
You could say that.
What is it?
Oh, it's big.
Is it a spider?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, spiders eat bugs. So that's okay.
Yeah.
Well, I'm sucking this bad boy up.
Stop it. Don't torture it. Don't
I'm
hurt
not gonna torture it.
Because I'm a rapper.